empty rooms and hollow echoes, silent whispers where you used to stand. Memories linger like shadows, lost in time. I hold your hand. Faded photographs on my wall, ghostly smiles through the tears I cry. In the night I hear your call. Loneliness just won't pass by. I'm missing you, where have you gone? Endless nights, they feel so long. Aching heart sings this sad song. I'm missing you, where have you gone? Starlit skies couldn't light my way. Empty dreams and unspoken words. Tomorrow's promise in disarray. Wings broken like fallen birds. Through the darkness I wander blind, searching for a trace of your face. Only shadows are left behind in this empty, timeless space. Bridge of sorrow leads me through, haunted by the love we knew. In the silence I call for you, endless longing, nothing new. I'm missing you, where have you gone? Endless nights, they feel so long. Aching heart